Good evening. Dante Steele bringing you the top stories tonight. The Federal Reserve kept interest rates unchanged at its recent meeting, leaving rates at their highest level in 22 years. Stocks closed lower after the Fed meeting as the central bank signaled it expects to continue raising rates in the future to fight high inflation. Fed Chair Jerome Powell famously called this inflationary period transitory. While inflation is a hard concept to measure, having to increase rates, which are higher than they were during the 2008 financial crisis, is almost always a bad look for the economy. Stock prices are up overall since the pandemic bust and boom, however. So are consumer prices, with no sign of returning to pre-pandemic levels. We will keep you informed on the next Fed meeting results, which are in November. The WGA and SAG-AFTRA unions remain on strike, as well as the UAW Auto Workers Union in what are going to be considered historic labor movements if they last much longer. With SAG-AFTRA having been on strike for 68 days, and the UAW going on their first week of being on strike. The entertainment and auto industries are being threatened with major supply holdups and major layoffs, so both the companies and employees are starting to feel the burn. Talks between the UAW and individual automakers are ongoing separately. UAW President Shawn Fain has warned of expanding strikes to additional targets if automakers do not make substantial progress toward fair agreements by this Friday. SAG-AFTRA is calling for improved compensation and residuals to reflect new media along with bigger pensions and reduced reliance on back-end pay. Strikers have picketed high-profile industry events and productions, stopping work on many TV shows and films industry-wide. SAG-AFTRA President Fran Drescher maintains optimism, but no deal has yet been reached, disrupting entertainment workforce schedules in the upcoming award season. UAW and SAG-AFTRA remain committed to resolving negotiations favorably, but maintaining solidarity on the picket lines in the interim. It remains unclear when production may resume normal operations across automaking in Hollywood. This has been your top stories tonight with Dante Steele. Dramatic but important. Volt News Network, good night.